Okay. Uh-huh. And we are just approaching Hotel Volcano, one of the most interesting decoration of using various palms and exotic things, you know. It looks really, really amazing here. Okay, let's try it here. Hello. That's the place to relax.
So we are just passing by Hotel Volcano in Playa de Las Americas. It's quite a beautiful hotel. And now we are going toward the beach and try to find a nice beach to swim. Do not walk.
Tenerife Hotel, where all the buses stop on the way to various beautiful places to see. And look at this nice supermarket. It's quite a supermarket, isn't it? Very Spanish architecture.
Okay, so we are walking around Playa de las Americas and beautiful supermarket building just next to Hotel Best Tenerife and a beautiful fountain. Behave. Hotel La Siesta, where we stayed last time in Tenerife.
Very beautiful.
Beautiful hotel and inside.
Okay, let's have a look. Fiesta Hotel? Yes. Hola from Tenerife indeed. And going towards the seaside, which you can just see on the end of this beautiful road between the rows of palm trees. Yes, Hotel HQ Conquistador, and look at those beautiful decorations. Preparation for the Christmas. Yes, it's indeed very pretty. This is official Playa de Americanos. Okay, look at this. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, a lot of people trying their skills with the sailboats. A lot of them, look at this. Okay, so continue the walk.
Hola.
Hola. ¿Cómo está? Ah. Let's go.
So this is Playa de las Americas in the south of Tenerife. So we are walking by the seaside promenade.
Hey. And ready to exercise.
Pebble Beach. Hear the sound of the sea.
Oh, somebody's on the high above the boat.
So life is a beach.
Okay. Coco Beach. And walking down to the Stone Beach. Oh, so
we are near this Playa, what? Victoria.
just Playa de Troya. So following the road along the coast. Very beautiful restaurant. And look at this bridge. Cafe bridge. Oh yeah. Hola.
So we are now at Playa Litroya in Playa de las Americas.
Okay. Playa de Troya indeed. And place where you can wash your feet, hands, and buy your ice creams or drinks. Okay. Playa de Troya and Kuala Lumpur. Wow, Malaysian venture. Okay, and after Malaysia, suddenly we can see Hong Kong. Oh, look at this. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, small Kong.
So let's walk around the
Playa de Troya.
Is this Playa?
Yeah, it's still Playa de
Troya.
Troya. Still Playa de Troya. Oh, well, it's quite nice. Playa del Bobo.
Okay, so we are now at Playa El Bobo in Playa de las Americas.
Okay, and we are walking towards Colon. Very beautiful small beach over there. Okay. Nice to walk along the beach. Oh. Hello, Mr. Bear. Hello, Mr. Bear. Polar bear. Cannot see polar now. It's a bit hot.
So let's continue our walk to Puerto de Colon.
Oh, look at this beautiful and
Beautiful beach, rocky beach.
So let's continue our walk along the coast. Oh, look at this. That is spectacular. Rocas.
But no.
Okay.